Jeep behind it should be good. I'm just here for the entertainment at this point.
The headlights are underwater. Oh, they're both going.
Oh, that is so dumb.
The Jeep's good. That lifted
That
Tacoma.
lifted truck.
The lifted Tacoma's like, nah.
Yeah, it's probably 45,000.
Dude, if that Dodge makes it through. Oh my god!
Oh yeah, the Jeep is in the wake.
Yeah, so he's doing good.
I wonder if they're checking on that car.
Don't stop,
Buddy,
buddy.
you can't stop.
Oh.
This guy needs to get out of the way if they do make it.
Yeah.
I'd be pissed.
You can make it all the way to the end.
Some jackass.
Ooh, buddy.
And he's just videoing.
Alright, so you're gonna go back out.
This guy's
Really
too.
new.
Oh.
This is like a Dodge ad.
All right, let's see how much higher that Dodge sits in this. A good bit.
Dude, we are
A
not
good bit.
going.
Yeah, that's a big 2,500. 3,500. Oh, here comes another Jeep. Doing it big. All right, I'm just watching for a minute.
This is compelling footage. Hold on.
Yeah, man. This is what Jeeps were made for.
It's my Jeep.
Dude, what if he just nails that car?
I wasn't lifted, but
I mean, is it covered? Is all that water seeping in?
What, the car?
Yeah.
No, that car's fucked.
No, the Jeep.
sounds weird.
Oh, he went under. He's going off the road. He's going off the road. See that
No,
other?
he's still going.
Yeah.
He is still
Look at that
going.
wave he's
Look at
pushing.
that.
Yeah. Dude, that's
You can surf on that.
nuts. There's little windshield wipers going.
He's like, I've been wanting to do this forever.
Fucking nuts.
That was their time to shine.
Nice, bro. I'll give you a thumbs up on that one.
Let's do it, Bubba.
No.
Oh my god.